Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Fusion. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, Bluetooth, push button start, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.